What's up, YouTubers, gun lovers? Glock 20 full FDE. The review on this today. I've had it for a bit now, and I put a lot of rounds through it so I can put up an objective review. Lots of holster practice, so you can look at maybe how the finish wears, how it holds up. Before we get started, please, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and throw a thumbs up because it really helps out. And without further ado, Alright, so this video is mainly to focus on kind of durability of the finish, because it's a Glock, runs like a Glock, nothing to report there. I actually had my first malfunction with it today. So, yep, there's a fail to extract, lock the slide to the rear, interesting malfunction. Maybe I'll roll a video of it into here. Yeah, so durability is great. I probably have 500 rounds through it. Yeah, no reloads. It's all factory ammo. I run mostly LAX factory new 10 mil through it, 180 grain, and various Underwood offerings here and there. And there's been a couple the double tap 220 cast go through it. This is my Woods gun, so I run those. This is what I carry when I'm on the bush. because I can run a light on it and stuff, and 15 rounds, pretty potent package. So anyway, let's look at the finish. Let's take this light off here too. All right, so where's it wearing? So it's wearing right here. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, zoom in right there. No. There's some wear right here from my Safari Land holster. That's where the retention bumps into it, I guess. You can start to see a little bit of the shiny metal coming through. I really can't tell if that's actually focused. Sorry. If it's not, maybe that's better. I don't know. Let's see. And the front edges of the slide right there, we're also getting the same type of wear. You can start to see a little bit of the steel on the slide coming through the Cerakote or whatever this finish is. Where else? It's a pretty thin finish. And right here on the edge, I've got a little bit coming through. Right here. Right here. Kind of where it contacts the holster. I really can't tell if that's focused. Hope it is. So, yep. So finish, okay. I don't know. It feels like the black finish wears a little better on Glocks than this, but don't really care. I don't think that's going to cause a major issue. There. Not sure what else to say, because this is I mean, it's a Glock 20. Works like a Glock 20. Reliable like a Glock 20, so I guess my final thoughts is that the finish just doesn't quite wear like the black finish, but would I buy another gun with this finish? Yeah, don't really care. I think a little bit honest wear is okay, and I really don't see that like it's going to cause an issue, so yep. So yeah, I guess there's more eye candy because, you know, honestly, when I was looking for videos on this gun, I was just really looking for eye candy before I bought it. So came with, oh no, it didn't come with these. I put Met Pro Light True Dot night sights on it, 3-dot, which I'm into. Pretty bright, big green colored night sights. They glow really brightly. Gen 4 gun, got the Gen 4 stuff on it. Yeah, I kind of like this color on the Glock. Looks good. Yep, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. And don't forget to please subscribe if you like what you see. And leave a thumbs up. Thanks.